Hey y'all, I'm Jess and I'm your new construction specialist. Today we are in the beautiful community of Evergreen in Conroe, Texas, and we are going to check out some beautiful Perry models today. In Evergreen, there is a Perry 50-foot series and a Perry 70-foot series. We're going to check out the 50-foot series first. Let's go take a look. We're going to be checking out the 2504W floor plan. It's one of the 50-foot series with Perry. This elevation specifically is the E90. Now, I do want to let you know, with new construction model homes, sometimes they have additional upgrades that the other homes won't have. So keep that in mind as we tour. As we walk in, you'll notice 12-foot ceilings, absolutely beautiful. To your left, you'll have your office space. This office is around 12 by 12, which gives you plenty of room to fit a desk. They have a chair, nice and spacious, has a beautiful natural light coming in. Here's another look at it before we venture down the hallway. Now, because this is a model, they have the space to the right as the garage, so that would be walled off. And this would be your mud space here, which would still be there. It may be optional, so we'll have to check on that. This would be a garage door, so the door that goes to your garage. Alrighty, now let's venture over this way. You have a nice storage closet. You can put your coats, and this is the first secondary bedroom. So this one is an ensuite, which means that you'll have a bathroom and a closet attached. It's conveniently located close to the front door, so if it is for family members or guests, they have easy access in and out. Large walk-in shower, beautiful natural light coming in, and it does have a walk-in closet, so plenty of storage, plenty of space. Here's another look so you can see the large, beautiful walk-in shower. And there is a little bit of counter space to the left, so there is one sink. Alrighty, now let's head back out. So remember, that's going to be a wall there. That's where your garage is going to be. And let's continue down this hallway. So 12-foot ceilings still continue. Here's a look again. That's your front door and your office to the right. Now let's keep boogieing. As we enter this space, this is going to be your beautiful kitchen. Tons of counter space, nice big island, very open concept. You have the cooktop, lots of cabinetry, walk-in pantry, which I know is a must for a lot of people. And this is another huge selling feature for a lot of my people. They want to be able to look and see everything. So your dining space is right there. You have built-in microwave and oven and a beautiful butler's pantry. Look at all of that natural light coming in. Tons of storage, huge dining space. So you can tell that they have 6 chairs there. They could fit way more because they also have all this storage on the other side. Spacious living area. The fireplace is optional. Again, tons of natural light. So let's go check out the primary bedroom. Look at all of that space, y'all. The primary bedroom's around 18 by 14, so lots of space. Does have some great natural light coming in. That feature wall is an upgrade. Now, this bathroom is what dreams are made of. So huge soaker tub in the middle. So you still have a large walk-in shower, which is fantastic. Everybody has their own space. So 2 sinks completely separate that also have area to the side of it as well for you to store things. 2 walk-in closets. So everybody has their own space. No fighting. And some more storage in here, which is fantastic. There is your toilet, which is awesome. And you still have a place to store all of your towels. Here's another look. Beautiful light coming in. And here's the other walk-in closet. Gorgeous. Alrighty, now let's go check out the primary bedroom. As we walk back through again, you can see the outside, your backyard. Now we're going to venture back through the living space, dining, and your kitchen. Some nice space for you to throw some bar stools under and hang out. if you're the taste tester of the family and not the chef. And then your front door is over there. So now we're going to come back through here, and tucked away is going to be your laundry area. So it does have room for your washer and dryer, and then an area for a fridge. Here's another one of your secondary bedrooms, which they're still a great size. So your secondary bedrooms are around 11 by 13 and 11 by 14. This room has some huge furniture in it, so don't let that deter you, make you feel like it's a small bedroom. It's still a good size. Here's a closet in here, still decent for a secondary bedroom. Now let's venture down the hallway. That's the shared bathroom. So you've got walk-in tub shower combo, and here is the other secondary bedroom. So like I said, still a decent size. They put a desk in here. They have a little storage chest as well as the bed. And again, decent sized closet. Now let's go check out the backyard. This floor plan has a beautiful covered patio. They do have an option for an extension of your covered patio, but this is a great place to hang out, eat some food. You could put some netting and stuff up around it if you didn't want to have to worry about any bugs or anything, or sunshades. So there you have it. That was the 2504 E90 with Perry Homes in the 50-foot section of Evergreen. What'd you think of that floor plan? Did it fit everything you're looking for? Was there something that you just wish it had but it wasn't quite perfect? Let me know below, or you can shoot me a text message to 832-827-4551 and I'll send you a customized list of floor plans that might work for you. And as always, if you're relocating from somewhere else, you want some more information about the neighborhood, this floor plan just isn't quite right for you and you'd like some other videos, and or you want to meet me there to check some out, let me know and I'd be happy to help.